Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a flight in the Salam Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then at the booking section, click on the book a flight button. So first you have to select if it's a round trip, a one-way trip, or a multi-city trip. So for example, if it's a one-way trip, then you have to select the departure airport first. And then you have to select the destination as well. And then you have to select the departure date. And then you have to select the passengers, so the number of adults, children, or infants traveling with you. And you can do that by clicking on the plus sign next to the. And once you select them, you can also apply a promo code if you have one, but that's optional. And then just click on the search button. And as you can see, here is the available flight for that specific date. So if you just click on that, you can see some further information. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.